Hey there, this is Hunter. I'm an online English tutor, and I'm here to give you some tips on how to improve your English. Have you ever heard people using the phrase nailed it and wondered what they're talking about? Well, I can help you with that. Nailed it means that someone managed to do something right or guess something right. Think of it like you're building something and you hit the nail perfectly. So how do you use this phrase? Let me show you. Maybe when I deliver a flawless presentation at work, I can whisper to myself, "Yeah, nailed it." Or maybe when my little sister scores the winning goal at a soccer game, I can jump to my feet and go and yell, "Hey, you nailed it." Or maybe you have a friend who solved a problem that the team hasn't been able to solve for weeks. You can give them a high five and say, "Wow, you totally nailed it." When your boyfriend or girlfriend surprises you with a homemade dinner that looks like it came straight out of a fancy restaurant, you can take a bite and say, "You really nailed it in the kitchen." Or maybe when your mom finishes knitting a sweater for you and it fits perfectly and looks even better than you thought, you can hug her and say, "Mom, you've truly nailed it with this sweater." Or maybe when your friend organizes a surprise birthday party where all the decorations, food, and entertainment are perfect, you can say, "Wow, you nailed it. This party is amazing." When your coworker completes a project ahead of schedule and under budget and delivers excellent results, you can congratulate them with a pat on the back and a good old, "You nailed it, great job." Or maybe when your neighbor has a barbecue and makes the juiciest, nicest burger you've ever had, you can take a bite and go, "You've really nailed it with this burger." And maybe when your teammate sinks a winning shot in a basketball game, you can run out in the court and go, "Hey, yeah, you nailed it, that was incredible." Or maybe when your friend performs a song at a karaoke and leaves the audience shocked at how good they were, you can applaud and shout, "You nailed it, you were born to perform." That's it for today. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. When learning English, there are many things you will have to learn: vocabulary, phonics, grammar, etc. The fastest way to learn these things would be through conversation. Through conversation, you can quickly grasp the idea of words and how to better use them. I am always happy to listen to what you have to say. If you are interested in booking a lesson, please feel free to DM me. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.